Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change the Gemini voice on your phone step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store if you are using iPhone, or the Play Store if you are using Android. In the search bar, type Gemini and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version because some settings may not appear on older versions of the app. Once the app is updated, simply open the Gemini app on your phone. After opening the app, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on your profile picture or account section. After that, scroll down and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option called Gemini Voice and tap on it. Here, you will see different voice options available in the app. You can now listen to the sample voices and select the one you like the most. Gemini offers multiple voices, so you can choose whichever sounds best for you. Once you select a voice, the changes will be applied automatically, and Gemini will start using the new voice during conversations. So yeah, guys, that's basically how you can change the Gemini voice easily. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.